Hi guys, in the previous video we have seen the three airstream mechanisms. The first one is pulmonic airstream mechanism, the glottalic airstream mechanism, and the third one is valeric airstream mechanism. And now in this video, how the organs of speech are divided into the following three groups. In the previous video, I have told you about the organs of speech. And now, how these organs of speech are divided into three groups. The first one is the respiratory system, the second one is the phonatory system, and the third one is the articulatory system. What is the respiratory system? This comprises the lungs, the muscles of the chest, and the windpipe, which is also called the trachea. This is the respiratory system. The phonatory system, it comprises the larynx. Larynx is included in the phonatory system. And the third one is the articulatory system. What is the articulatory system? It comprises the nose, the teeth, the tongue, the roof of the mouth, and the lips. These are all the parts which are included in the articulatory system. Now we are going to see the respiratory system. The first one, the respiratory system. The action of the lungs and the muscles of the chest are included in the respiratory system. The action of the lungs and the muscles of the chest are included in the respiratory system. The second one is the phonatory system. The phonatory system, larynx is included in the phonatory system. Larynx is there in the phonatory system. And this larynx is commonly known as Adam's apple. This larynx is commonly known as the Adam's apple, situated at the top of the windpipe. See, in this region, we have two pipes, the windpipe and the food pipe. Through food pipe, we are able to send the food inside our stomach. And what is the windpipe? Through windpipe, we are able to take the air in and send out some air. Okay, so these two are the pipes which are included in this region, the windpipe and the food pipe. And what is the Adam's apple? Larynx is commonly called the Adam's apple. So, where we find this Adam's apple? It is situated at the top of the windpipe. At the top of the windpipe, we see the Adam's apple. And can we see this Adam's apple to all the males and females? No. Only for males, only for gents, we can see this Adam's apple situated at the top of the windpipe. And the air from the lungs has to come out through the windpipe and the larynx. So we take in air through the windpipe, we send out the air through the windpipe. The air from the lungs. So in the lungs, we consume the oxygen and we send out the carbon dioxide through the windpipe. The larynx are a pair of lip-like structures. The larynx are a pair of lip-like structures. These are called the vocal cords. And these lip-like, see, these are like this. And these lip-like structures, they are called the vocal cords. These are called the vocal cords. And these are placed horizontally from front to back. They are placed horizontally from front to back. They are attached in the front and separated at the back. These lip-like structures, which are called the vocal cords, they are attached in the front and they are separated at the back. The opening between the cords is called the glottis. The opening between the cords is called the glottis. See, this is the picture of vocal cords. This is the picture of vocal cords. See, these are the vocal cords. These two are called the vocal cords. And the place between the vocal cords is called the glottis. This space is called the glottis. And this one is called the epiglottis. This is called the epiglottis. These two are the vocal cords. The space between the two vocal cords is called the glottis. And this one is called the epiglottis. So, these vocal cords are attached at the front and separated at the back. The opening between the cords is called the glottis. I have shown you now. And the vocal cords can be opened and closed because they can be separated at the back. These vocal cords can be opened and they can be closed because they can be separated at the back. The two cords come very close to each other. When these two cords come very close to each other, the glottis will be shut completely. I told you, no, these are lip-like structures. When they come very close to each other, the glottis will be shut completely. When the two vocal cords come very close to each other, the glottis will be shut completely. When we swallow food or water, the vocal cords shut the glottis and thus prevent the food or water from entering the windpipe. These two vocal cords, when they come very close to each other, so that the glottis will be formed, and this prevents the food or water entering the windpipe. So these are all the parts which are included in the organs of speech, or these are all called the organs of speech, and these organs are thus divided into three groups: the respiratory system, the phonatory system, and the articulatory system. Thank you very much.